I'm gonna sink my hand into this thing. Okay. As you can see, it's sinking in. Oh, this feels so weird. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. I'll take it out now. Hold on a second. Yeah, my fingers are starting to touch. I'll take it out. Oh god. Oh gosh. This is what happens when you put your hand into a bucket of slime. Oh my gosh. I am the slime monster. Raw. Yeah. My god. My hand looks so weird and gooey and weird. You guys see this? Right there. Okay, I'm gonna take this all off. Just to prove that this slime can be taken off. Oh my god, so sticky. This is probably gonna be like a 14-minute video of me taking off slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so there's that. Can I take the rest off like this?
और स्पीकर ऑन करो स्पीकर क्यों
I'm just gonna clean this. There we go. My hand's good as new. And I'm gonna sink it one more time, guys. This is what happens when you grab the slime bucket, then let go of your hand for a couple of seconds. This. Oh my god. Okay, this is much more crazier than last time. Oh my god. I look like SpongeBob when he got the that big bump on his hand. I don't know if you guys watched that episode.
It was the head.
No, it was his hand.
Oh, that one. The jellyfish one.
The jellyfish one, yeah. The one where the jellyfish like his...
Like his noise?
Yeah. Okay. It doesn't matter, but,
Okay, so I can talk now.
Okay,
Okay,
so
he's back.
let's take this.
Let's take the slime off. I'm gonna be making a video like this as well.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This takes so long. Oh my gosh.
Next time, don't sing it in that long with SpongeBob.
Oh my gosh.
I already tried mine. It would be much more weird. Actually, not much more weird. It would be much more.
This is so
How do I
painful.
say it?
This is so painful.
I wasn't looking for a second. So what do I do now?
So what do I title this video? This is what happens when you sink your hand into a slime bucket, or I sinked my hand into a slime bucket, then, or I don't know.
Yeah, I'm just getting bored with all these
No
nicknames.
need to make a poll because
You're squashing your squid thingy.
by the time this video's out, I'm probably gonna.
This is probably the worst slime color ever.
If the video's gonna be titled.
What? You shouldn't be saying the title name. Because they'll already know it.
Okay. So. Okay. Well, so that's what happens when you sink your hand into this
Gooey slime.
slime. How sticky is my slime now? It never used to be this sticky before.
My slime isn't that.
Okay.
My slime isn't
Okay. Bye, guys.
Oh, okay, bye.